Hello and welcome. I'm Sajad and you're watching Kashmir News Service. The Jammu and Kashmir Bank is one of the biggest institution of Jammu and Kashmir and continuously expanding its reach and making a great contribution to the economy of Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir. Today we are joined by one of the top senior official of Jammu and Kashmir Bank, chairman who is also managing director of Jammu and Kashmir Bank, Rajesh Kumar Chibbar. Sir, پہلے آپ کا بہت بہت شکریہ آپ نے اپنا قیمتی وقت ہمارے لیے نکالا تو لیٹ می بگن بائی سیئنگ دیٹ viral COVID-19 has started. It has almost disrupted almost every sector of Jammu and Kashmir. It has also affected the Jammu and Kashmir Bank, its daily operations. So I would like to know from you, how did you have managed your daily operations, your daily work, just to assist the people in every possible way?
دھنیہ آپ نے بھی مجھے ٹائم دیا آپ کے چینل کے تھرو اپنے اوپینین دینے کا. یو نو وین اٹ اسٹارٹ دا کووڈ ویو 1 اور دا ویو 2 آلسو, دا انٹائر بزنس کمیونٹی واز ان ٹربل. وی ٹو ایز اے بینک ڈیلنگ ود دا بزنس اونلی, وی impacted up to larger extent than anybody individual. The impact of the individual, the particular business segment, is directly proportional to the bank. As you have rightly stated, the backbone of the J&K duty economy and other service sectors all are linked with the J&K bank. But we were very prudent and transparent in our system. From the day one, when we came to know the pandemic and other issue, we have a strategy and plan in our mind. We should make the most provisioning rather than booking the profit. And that entire exercise has yielded a fruitful result during the March 2021. As you know, the highest profit 316 since 2014. And the profit we have shown 432 crore, despite of the fact the March 20 was the loss of around 1,139. It all was done because of my operation team. Those are working at the branch level, cluster level, zonal office level, although the heading here at the CHQ level, very systematically we have come to the expectation of the stakeholder or business partner, and my team, the staff, have done a very wonderful job.
So before I come to this quarterly fourth process, I would like to know from you, all these years the Jammu and Kashmir Bank have seen sunshine, shadows, ups and downs. So how has been these recent years for you in Jammu when it comes to performance in Jammu and Kashmir Bank?
So just see, the pandemic that was the main issue. Even that we have constituted a very senior level team, quick response team. They were meeting daily, and at the end of the day, the entire board comes to me. Whatever consensus arriving over there, how to move forward so that we can run our business units, ATM 24/7. And over and above, Government of India and Reserve Bank of India came to the rescue. The entire banking industry as well as the business community. Whether it was GCL1, GCL2, GCL3, now GCL4 also. In the first phase, the GCL1, in the JK Bank itself has disbursed around 1,500 crore. That has pumped in the economy only. That boosted the overall opinion, overall perception, overall economic activity of the J&K duty.
So sir, as I have said that perhaps after the 2012 and 2013, the Jammu and Kashmir Bank has registered a brilliant performance by delivering quarterly 315.75 crore despite devastating COVID pandemic situation. So what has been the secret behind this, and how encouraging it is for your team and for your bank?
Actually, our strategy is towards the retail banking, asset side as well as the liability side. We have discouraged the large size of light ticket size in respect of the deposit also or advances side. In the initial period, we were just mobilizing deposit from the interbank deposit, from the large corporate deposit also. That way we were just paying the interest. Same on the asset side also, big ticket size 100 crore, 200 crore, 300 crore, that we had discussed. But in our mind, the very high rated corporate, only on the asset side, not on the liability side, that we are mobilizing, and a thin margin in respect of the corporate deposit and corporate advances we have totally abolished. And contrary to that, we focus on the retail deposit, retail advances, that has increased our margin. That is why we are in a comfortable position.
Sir, we have seen that Modi government has started a major initiative like Digital India, and this is giving a perception that in future all the activities have to go on internet through online. So in COVID-19 we have also seen that online banking and other online activities has a major role to play. تو کیا اسٹیپس لیے جا رہے ہیں کہ جو بھی آن لائن ایکٹیویٹیز ہو رہی ہیں آن لائن اسسٹنس ہو رہی ہے اس میں کس طرح کی شدت لائی جا رہی ہے تاکہ جتنے بھی کسٹمرز بینک کے ان کو سے زیادہ اسسٹنس ملے؟
دیکھو جو ڈیجیٹل بینکنگ کا جس کا آپ ریفرنس دے رہے ہیں، اور بینک از کوائٹ پرو ایکٹیو، چاہے ہماری ایم پے ہے، چاہے اے ٹی ایم ہے، چاہے دوسری ٹرانزیکشن ہے. اسی وجہ سے پرائیویٹ سیکٹر بینکس میں جے اینڈ کے بینک کو ایک ایوارڈ ملا بیسٹ ان ڈیجیٹل بینکنگ. دیٹ از دا آؤٹ کم آف دا contribution of the JNK IT team. That is why we are in a position to show the best result, and IBA, the Indian Banking Association, has to recognize the efforts put by the JNK Bank.
So besides its performance, JNK Bank has been always in headlines when it comes to its recruitment. It has also been criticized for its recruitment process, but we have seen earlier that the department, the bank is trying to bring more and more transparency in this. So جو ابھی ریکروٹمنٹ کے حوالے سے آپ سے جاننا چاہوں گا کہ جو کریٹیسزم ہیڈ لائنس میں بار بار رہا ہے، تو اس حوالے سے آپ کا کیا کہنا ہے؟
I won't think there is any type of criticism. We were quite transparent and the entire process has been completed. The people have joined, my probation officers, their last date is on 13th of July of this month. Same as the position with the banking associate. We are given a time of 90 days because pandemic issues are there. People have to move from their hometown, and some my candidate has to get the NOC from the different company and all that. This is the first time the J&K Bank history we have conveyed to the candidate their written paper exam score and the interview score also. That way they are satisfied whatever they have done in the written test, that is reflected in that our conveyed the message. Same the position was in the interview also.
So sir, my other question to you is that recently we have seen some incidents in different parts of the Kashmir that there has been some minor attacks on banks just to rob the money from banks. So is bari mein has there been in communication with the police and others just to make more secure and to avoid these attacks in future?
This is a very genuine and right question. We have already started the process of recruiting security officers at corporate level, division level, and at the zonal officer level. I think within 15 days or so, they are taking over the reign of the security aspect in the entire zone and at the CHQ also. Those will be very trained and efficient people we were going to recruit those people. And their main role will be the coordination between the local administration, particularly the security agencies. And at my own level also, I am interacting with the people who are at the Hamad of here.
So sir, my last question to you is that Jammu Kashmir Bank is hope for many and many people. I mean for entire population of Jammu and Kashmir. So what would be your message to all the people for those people the Jammu Kashmir Bank is a hope in future. So ان کے لیے آپ کی کیا میسیج ہے، ان کے لیے کیا پیغام ہے؟
ابھی دیکھیے UT JNK گورنمنٹ نے ریسنٹلی انڈسٹری پالیسی لائی. انڈسٹری پالیسی میں دیکھو 28,000 کروڑ کے قریب وہ انویسٹمنٹ ہونے جا رہی ہے. میں یہی ریکویسٹ کروں گا سب کو کہ اس پہ وہ حصے دار بنے تاکہ چھوٹے یونٹ لگائیں، بڑے یونٹ لگائیں، اور اس میں اتنے انسینٹیو ہیں، ہر ٹائپ کے انسینٹیو ہیں. اگر وہ فلڈ جو آ رہا ہے 28,000 کا، ہمارے جو یوتھ ہیں جو آلریڈی کام کر رہے ہیں جو نہیں کرنا چاہ رہے ہیں، دس از دا رائٹ ٹائم کو انڈسٹری پالیسی کو اچھی طرح سے پڑھ کے وہاں پہ اپلائی کریں اور نئے یونٹ لگائیں. وہ اپنے آپ کو امپلائمنٹ ملے گی، ایک دو کو اور امپلائمنٹ کریں چھوٹے لیول کے اوپر، لارج سائز پہ تو ہوگی. اور دوسرا ایک ریولیوشن، فائنینشیل ریولیوشن بھی JNK UT میں آ جائے گا، کیونکہ 28,000 کروڑ کا فگر نہیں ہے. اور ابھی 2 دن پہلے ہی JNK UT گورنمنٹ نے کیپیکس بجٹ جو ہے 12,600 کروڑ، جو پچھلے سال سے بھی ڈبل ہے. دیٹ ول آلسو boost the economy of the J&K UT.
So بہت بہت شکریہ کشمیر نیوز سروس.
Thank you. آپ سب. Thank you.
So this was
Namaskar.
the managing director and chairman of Jammu Kashmir Bank. He has shared some important points with the Kashmir News Service. I am Sajjad for Kashmir News Service from Srinagar.
Thanks for watching Kashmir News Service.